Okay, guys, so today's topic is my favorite, which is snakes. Uh, as we have grown up, we have seen so many films on snakes, anaconda and all, blah blah blah. So, one thing would have come in our mind that which is the largest or the longest or the biggest snake in the world, and can they eat humans or not? So, if we start talking about snakes, uh, there are two categories actually. If you see lengthwise, the longest snake in the world is reticulated python, which has currently been found around 32 feet long. Uh, in terms of weight, if you see the green anaconda, which is found actually in Southern America. Reticulated python is found in Southeast Asia, Southern Asia, and Southeast Asia, and this green anaconda is found in South America. So, um, these green anaconda are a bit smaller than the reticulated python, but they are around 550 pounds. It's around 250 kgs, and they can be up to 20 to 30 feet maximum. Uh, so this way, the longest and the heaviest snake in the world are these. Now, coming to another uh, longest or biggest snake, you can say, if we count, it should be on the third rank, which is a Burmese python. They are also found in Southeast Asia, and I have encountered two of them. One in India, in my hometown, Gorakhpur, um, where I saw it in Kushmi jungle. People were going to actually kill that snake in the village area. So the forest department and all they rescued and brought it to the captivative area for some time. So that's the photo. Um, and one of them I encountered here in the Philippines, where I am studying. So here, this one was a albino Burmese python, and this one was quite big. I think it was around 15 feet. So the Burmese python can be up to 12 to 19 feet, and this one was around 15 feet. So exceptionally, Burmese python were found to be some of them were found to be around 23 feet, but that was some exception. They are normally around 15 to 19 feet. Now, these are the snakes which are currently present in this world, and they are the longest or the biggest snakes ever. Now, coming to prehistorically. Prehistorically, till now, it was found that Titanoboa, uh, largest snake in the world, which was around 60 million years back in Colombia region, the South America. So it was around 42 to 47 feet long, and they were around 2,500 pounds. So by the skeleton which has been found, uh, we estimated that they were around 42 feet, 42 to 47 feet. Uh, Now, why I'm making this video is a recent uh, research has shown a new prehistoric skeleton which was found in Kutch region in Gujarat, India. So that snake is estimated to be around 50 feet. So prehistorically, now this has been the longest or the biggest snake ever. And these things also actually this snake which is found in India was around the same time when the Titanoboa was found in Colombia. So Colombia is here, and if this is Earth, then India is here, almost opposite side. They were in that time. This was about the snake found in India, which has been recorded as the world's longest or biggest snake ever prehistorically. And another interesting thing is that the name of this snake has been kept Vasuki Indicus. Vasuki. This is very interesting. Vasuki is none other than the king of serpents in Hindu culture. I don't speak mythology and all because I don't believe it's a myth. So in Hindu culture, uh, Vasuki was Vasuki was the used as the bed of Lord Vishnu, and also he was wrapped around the neck of Lord Shiva. So these are some cultural things about the Vasuki. I read somewhere on Google that Vasuki was also a cultural thing in Chinese and Japanese culture. Uh, it was one of the eight great dragon kings. In Buddhism, also, Vasuki has been depicted. Uh, Vasuki has been depicted as the protector and worshipper of Gautam Buddha. So some people also say that Gautam Buddha was incarnation of Lord Shiva. That is another thing. Oh, sorry, Lord Vishnu. So that is another thing. So actually, Hinduism and Buddhism are almost similar types. So leaving the religion part sideways. So this is all about the Vasuki Indicus, which has been recently found in India, and it is now the world's largest or biggest snake ever now. Okay, guys, so this was the 15 feet long Burmese python. Uh, I will be going on a study trip now, so I think next video will be coming after 6 months. I will be getting time after 6 months now. Holidays will be there. So I hope you like the video. Share it with your friends.